What is chakalaka? It is the popular South African relish dish often made with carrots or cabbages, but it has to be spicy. It is mostly served with pap, rice, corn, bread, or potato salad in barbecues or braai. The key ingredients of chakalaka that have been used in this dish are as follows. 1. 3 chopped onions if they were small in size. 2. Red, yellow, and green peppers, they must be chopped. 3 chopped chilies, remember this dish has to be spicy. For sunflower oil. 5. Ginger and garlic paste. 6. Spices such as curry powder, garam masala, paprika, etc. 7. Aromat and stock cubes. 8. Grated carrots. 9. A tin of baked beans. 10. Sweet chili sauce. How to cook or prepare this dish? 1. Open the stove to medium heat and place the pot on top of the stove. 2. Pour in sunflower oil. 3. On a chopping board, prepare onions. Robot peppers by chopping them into small pieces. Further after, add them into the pot. Fry them for about 2 minutes depending on your stove's temperature. 5. Pour in curry paste, paprika, and delicate items like ginger and garlic paste and herbs, but it's optional. 7. Fry until golden brown and add in carrots. Occasionally stir to avoid unnecessary blackening on the bottom of the pot. 8. Also add beef cubes and aromat for flavor. Remember, this beef cubes must be crushed before adding them into your pot. 9. Lastly, if you are convinced that the carrots are cooked through now, it is time to add baked beans and sweet chili sauce. Please note that this sauce helps to balance all the flavors as it reduces the tongue. 10. Reduce heat to low and allow the dish to simmer for a few minutes. After that, switch off the stove. Save energy by doing that, you are saving the environment for long. 11. You can serve your dish hot or cold with a starch of your choice. I prefer to serve it with a pap or roll. Don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe. This will help me to keep on sharing simple South African recipes.
Lagay mo.